Introduction. Human beings are different from animals. They have the ability to think. If this ability is not used wisely, it will become useless. Everyone has talents, but not everyone uses their talents. Here, stress is on the importance of a person using their talents. A talent is useless unless it is used. There is no one that has no talents. The three things, time, talent and treasures, are God-given abilities. Some have the talent of helping, some giving encouragement, while others use their personal time to help others, and some others who help financially. However, there are many who simply bury their talents. This is the message conveyed in the lesson, The Parable of Talents. Children, let us learn some new words, its meanings and how to use them in sentences. Talent means ability. My teacher used to tell that every person is blessed with a talent. Entrust means to trust to the care of. I was entrusted to taking care of my sisters when my parents had gone out of town. Trustworthy means reliable. A trustworthy person is reliable and responsible. Scatter means separate. The beach, which was scattered with plastic bottles, was removed by the volunteers. The parable of the talents. For it is as if a man going on a journey summoned his slaves and entrusted his property to them. To one he gave 5 talents, to another 2, to another 1, to each according to his ability. Children, let us learn some new words and its meanings. Summoned means order to be present. Property means things belonging to someone. Ability means talent or skill. Children, in this paragraph, once a man decided to go on a long trip. So he called his slaves, that means the servants, and asked them to take care of his house, his stuff and his money. Then this man decided to give his servants 5 talents of money, to another 2 talents of money, and to the last 1 talent of money. He gave each of the servant or the slave a large amount so that they could handle according to their ability. Children, let us read the paragraph together. For it is as if a man going on a journey summoned his slaves and entrusted his property to them. To one he gave 5 talents, to another 2, to another 1, to each according to his ability. Then he went away. The one who had received the 5 talents went off at once and traded with them and made 5 more talents. In this paragraph, the man left on his trip and his slaves or the servants each did something with the money that they received. The first person who was given 5 talents went away and used his money and made double of it. That means he made another 5 more. Children, let us read this paragraph together. Then he went away. The one who had received the 5 talents went off at once and traded with them and made 5 more talents. In the same way, the one who had 2 talents made 2 more talents. Here, children, the man who was given 2 talents, he also used his money wisely and gained 2 more talents. Children, let us read the line together. In the same way, the one who had the 2 talents made 2 more talents. But the one who had received the 1 talent went off and dug a hole in the ground and hid his master's money. Children, in this paragraph, the man who was given 1 talent took this talent and buried it in the ground to keep the money safe. He didn't even try to do something with it. Children, let us read the line together. But the one who had received the 1 talent went off and dug a hole in the ground and hid his master's money. After a long time, the master of those slaves came and settled accounts with them. Then the one who had received the 5 talents came forward, bringing 5 more talents, saying, Master, you handed over to me 5 talents. See, I have made 5 more talents. Children, in this paragraph, the master comes back from a nice long trip and he wants to know what his slaves has done with this money. The first slave, for whom the master had given 5 talents, said that, Master, you had trusted me with 5 talents. I have made 5 more talents. Children, let us read the paragraph together. After a long time, the master of those slaves came and settled accounts with them. Then the one who had received the 5 talents came forward, bringing 5 more talents, saying, Master, you handed over to me 5 talents. See, I have made 5 more talents. His master said to him, Well done, good and trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Enter into the joy of your master. Children, let us learn some new words and its meaning. Trustworthy means reliable. Children, in this paragraph, the master smiled and he was very happy. He called the first slave and said, You have done a great job. Good, you are my faithful servant. You were trustworthy just for a few things. Now I will put you in charge of a lot of things. Come and celebrate together with me. Children, let us read the paragraph together. His master said to him, Well done, good and trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Enter into the joy of your master. Grammar, conjunction, kinds of conjunction. A conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. Uses of conjunction. The most common conjunctions are and, but, and, or. He sells mangoes and apples. Fruits and vegetables are good for health. It is a cold and windy day. But is used to link words that have different or contrasting meanings. He is poor but honest. The girl is clever but the boy is dull. The weather today is sunny but cold. Conjunctions or is used to show a choice. Work hard or you will fail. Do we now turn left or right? He didn't know whether to laugh or cry. And but or can link groups of words called phrases as well as single words. My father had 2 cars, a big one and a small one. Hari can bowl very fast but for a short period. Do you want a big piece of chocolate ice cream or a large piece of cake? Conjunctions are also used to join 2 sentences together. He is clever. He is idle. He is clever but idle. Father is cleaning the car. Mother is baking a cake. Father is cleaning the car and mother is baking a cake. Some conjunctions are used to show when something happens. They are called conjunction of time. You must look both ways before you cross the road. He started eating as soon as he came home. I always brush my teeth after I have eaten my dinner. Because, since, as, therefore are conjunctions of reason. They give a reason for why something happens or why somebody does something, why a suggestion is made. Since it is raining, I cannot go to school. I cannot go to the market because it is raining. Since it is raining, therefore I cannot go out. Activity 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction given in the brackets. Question 1. I wanted to study further, dash couldn't do so. Question 2. I will go, dash Radha has come. Question 3. Rohini had fever, dash she left. Question 4. He is sick, dash unable to attend the school. Question 5. Do not go, dash I come back. Question 6. He is poor, dash contented. Activity 1. Answers. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions given in the brackets. Question 1. I wanted to study further, dash couldn't do so, but is the correct answer. Question 2. I will go, dash Radha has come, because is the correct answer. Question 3. Rohini had fever, dash she left, so is the correct answer. Question 4. He is sick, dash unable to attend the school, therefore is the correct answer. Question 5. Do not go, dash I come back, until is the correct answer. Question 6. He is poor dash contented. But is the correct answer. Assignment Roman number 1. Answer the following. Question 1. Why did the man give talents to his slaves? Question 2. What did the third slave do with the talent given to him? Question 3. How did the master appreciate the first slave? Roman number 2. Use the following word or phrase in your own sentences. Talent, in charge of. Roman number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction given in the brackets. Question 1. Pinky was happy dash she passed the test. Question 2. Always brush your teeth dash a meal. Question 3. I will not let you go dash you tell the truth. Question 4. The children waited dash their mother came. Question 5. You will pass dash you work hard. Question 6. I have been living here dash 10 years. Okay children, today's class comes to an end. I will continue the lesson in the next class. Till then, stay home and be safe.